Kabor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, Kamashin Kabalas Nakarpang Kabakhamskem, Kamsted, Kamklan, Batbaduna Bam Umpnia.
Superintendent of Police Jawa East Council Subabivek mulai tu bagi saungat kina Nongïalam ki Shah ha ka Jingïakhih ki Nongïa bat ki traitrong ha Mawryngkneng ki dei ki Nongïalam ki Nakhmat ki don lang ha kapor ba kami ki Jingïakhih mau bat ka Jingïakhih ibor ya ki pulit USP loong ba ki pulit kim shim na le palat put henrei ki penat kam tang khendiat kabor pan perai ki pai ba loong ba ka dau ka Jingmi ka Jingkhruet la thiru ka dei namar ba ki pai ba kim sngap ya ka Jingkran jeng ki Magister henrei ki beteng ban kawang mau ki trok ba ya shu loong bala pengat kes ya baro Kiba Shah
Mawryngkneng Junction. 4 people were arrested and initially 3 cases were registered against them. Subsequently on Thursday there was also an escort of cement and clinker trucks from West Jingïakhih Hills, from East Jingïakhih Hills via West Jingïakhih Hills. And there was a lot of stone pelting and damage to our vehicles, for which a 4th case was registered. So we have a total of 4 cases, and bail has been moved today. That will be in the discretion of the court whether the court will grant bail, and we'll take it from there. The crowd out there were actually informed by the magistrate on duty to not obstruct the trucks, the movement of trucks and all that, and they were properly informed, clearly informed not to obstruct. However, after the trucks came also and we escorted them, there was huge pelting of stones, there was assault, and there was a person also abducted, and what happened was there was mayhem and violence out there, and for which police had to resort to mild lathi charge. It is not that there was we flouted any norms, and also that we had there was excesses from the police. It was very minimal, and we were very restrained. No, there's no pressure as such for them. There's no pressure to release them. In fact, bail is it's within the hands of the judiciary. And the leaders, they are the people who are right in front in their agitation, and when all these crimes were committed out there, I mean, they were the people at the forefront.
So law, yes, as far as law
will take its own course.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka barid ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki wei ni pishat roti shat kiek bat ki wei na ka benta ka koi ka khya jongi pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba phinyo ka jing shania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arjar henril ling ba ka section lai phoi iwe kam de ka ba ba phinyo ek license phila ban apply ka online link ba ka website foscus.fssai.gov.in da ka ba pi hap an upload ru Yaki kot kisla badan kam, kat kum kejat jengkam jong pi. Pila ru banyak kendo, yaki designated officers lani food safety officers, ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan hamigalaya, lat no tang ha is kasi hers. Pila ban let bed, chak office terekam jong ki, ke commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya. Nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan ra shapi daga Commissionerate of Food Safety Government of Meghalaya bat balakershan daga Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.
Come on Barbie, let's go party.
If you're having a good time,